Today we have 5-week-old F1bb Labradoodles. These guys are medium-sized. Mom's about 50 pounds, Dad's 40. So I'm saying these guys will be between, 40 to 50 pounds, full grown. This is a first litter for me. Mom does have the fading gene, so they will silver. Mom is a beautiful, gorgeous silver Labradoodle. So these black pups will silver out to some extent, and sometimes they silver a lot, sometimes they only silver a little. Not unknown what these guys will do. We have gorgeous little Oreo. I only have 3 girls and 2 boys available. One of the red ones, the girl red one, is available. The 2 spotted ones are available, and the 2 little black boys are available. Black, silver. They are silver Labradoodles. So, they were just up playing, so we thought we'd show them off because they're beautiful pups. They go home December 31st, and parents are both genetically health tested. They do come with a 1-year health guarantee, their first vaccination and a vet check. They're regularly dewormed and microchipped. Dew claws have been removed. So these guys are well on their way here. And these guys are curly, as you can tell. They're a little bit of a mess. They ate breakfast and made a mess of themselves. Hi. That's Coco. Hi, Coco. He was looking at me for a minute. So, F1bb Labradoodles, medium-sized, beautiful pups. They are working on, they're actually doing really well. They've got their potty trays to go potty in. They were just acting like real pups here for a minute. Real dogs, big dogs. What you doing there, Oreo? You checking it out? Give him some toys this morning. We do E&S with all of our pups, so they've been handled every day since they were born, and these guys they just love people. So we're enjoying this very snowy December day here at Grace and Faith Doodles.